What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Teal from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing the inside edge of the head. We're going to start on the top left. Let's add a curve that bends this out towards the left. Come down and we'll bend that back in towards the bottom. Let's line up the top over on the right side. We're going to curve in the opposite direction. Bend this out towards the right. Come down and then bend that back in towards the same height. Let's add the teeth on either side. We'll start right in the middle of this curve. Let's add a half oval. Coming in, rounding out the tooth, and then bending that back out. Let's take that tooth and flip it over on the right. So we'll line up the top, bend this in, and then back out. Let's add two teeth on either side along the top. So we start on the left, come in, and then out, and draw one more along the top. Do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to line this up and then go back out. Now we're going to add two more sets of teeth along the bottom. Let's start back on the left. Coming in, and then out, and then we'll add one more. Now on the outside, we're going to draw two large circles for the eyes. On the outside edge of the mouth, let's step out, go this all the way around, to the top of the eye, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's draw the same size circle on the right. Coming down towards the bottom, go towards the top, and then back down. Let's trace each of these circles along the inside. So we're going to start from the top, come all the way around, and then back up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now you want to wrap the head in behind the tooth. Let's start on top of the left tooth. We're going to go up, and then bend that out around this line, and do the same thing on the right. Let's come down to the bottom and do the same thing. Coming down and out. Now you want to round up the side of the head going in behind the eyes. Let's start from the top left. I'm going to round this out, go out, and then down on the outside edge of the eye. Line this up along the bottom. Down and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out and then down. Line this up along the bottom. Now in between the top two teeth, we're going to add a curve. Coming down and up. And then along the bottom, we're going to go up and then down. Now I want to connect the head to the body with the neck. Starting from the top, draw an oval, going all the way around, and then up. From the side of the oval, draw two straight lines coming down, just lining up at the bottom edge of the head, and then round up the bottom of the neck. Let's draw on the side of the body. From the bottom left, bend this out, and it comes straight down. Do the same thing on the right. And then round out the bottom of the body with a half circle. Now let's layer the lower torso in behind the body. Starting on the left, curve this around and then in, almost like a C shape. Go over towards the right, go in the opposite direction, and then in. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now let's add in the legs. Leaving a gap in the center, start over on the left, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left ankle. Go to the right, go out and then down. Let's round out the ankle, going down and then up on either side. Now from the outside of the leg, we're going to draw that same curve. We go up and then in behind the lower torso. Let's go to the inside of the ankle, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start from the left heel, then the foot coming down, and then up on the outside. Now from the outside of the foot, let's curve this up and back in towards the outside of the ankle. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms coming out towards the hand. Let's start from the top of the body on the left, bend the arm going up, and then down. Let's go to the right, going up, and then down. Now from the wrist, we're going to step down, draw that same curve, going up, and then down towards the side of the body. Now we're going to separate the wrist with a curve, connecting the end of the line with a curve coming in and then out. Now we're going to add 3 claws on either side. Let's start with the thumb. Start from this top point. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's taper this up and then in towards the palm. Now from the outside of the thumb, I'm going to curve the first finger, coming around and then in, taper that out and then up. Let's add 1 more finger in behind, starting from the bottom, come down and then up. Now from here, bend this out and then up towards the palm. Let's go back to the bottom of the wrist. We're going to curve the hand, coming down and then out, just tucking this in behind that bottom finger. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Teal from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.